the 2017 Ford Explorer. Ford prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including speed-sensitive wipers, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, power front seats, and a split-folding rear seat. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.